In this lecture, we are going to see what is the percentage of .com domains in Google search results. This lecture is a kind of information lecture because generally the top level domains, whether it is .com or .org or .net, doesn't have any influence on search engine ranking factors. But still, it's good to know the percentage of .com domains in top 30, top 10, and in overall Google search results. In 2016, there has been a large increase in the presence of .com pages in the top 20 of Google's rankings. Since the correlation factor is exactly zero, this SEO factor has zero influence on search engine ranking. But still, pages with .com domains are continuing their dominance amongst high ranking web pages. But apart from search engine ranking factor, I recommend you to keep with .com domains. It's because people tend to use Control plus Enter or Command plus Enter while going into a website. For example, instead of searching for Newegg in Google or typing newegg.com, if I press Control and Enter keys together, it will directly go to www.newegg.com. This is the habitual factor for webmasters and bloggers. So, if you have a .com domain, then you have a slight competitive advantage in case of your customers or visitors who are bloggers and webmasters. In the next lecture, let's see the usage of flash content in your web pages and how it affects your ranking in Google search engine.